Hello, my name is Ari Bhomik, and I'm the Research Administrator for the Michigan Alzheimer's Disease Center at the University of Michigan. Let me begin by saying thank you to all our viewers who have taken the time to watch this short video. I would also take this opportunity to thank all past, present, and future research participants, because without your support, researchers could not be able to find cures. In this video, I'm going to talk about why participation in research is important and what is the difference between a research study and a clinical trial. Participating in research is vital as it leads to new discoveries and cures. It is via research that scientists are able to find new methods to detect, diagnose, and treat a disease. It is only through good clinical research that we are able to gain answers about the safety, tolerability, and efficacy of medications and other non-pharmacological therapies. Researchers would not have been able to develop groundbreaking therapies if people did not participate in a research study. All research requires rigorous testing and has to be a collaboration with the communities that are affected by the disease. Research opens new gateways that can help scientists develop treatments and cures, and folks who volunteer and become a research participant are essential to helping those scientists find a cure for these diseases. As I mentioned, many times I will get asked, what's the difference between a research study and a clinical trial? A research study is focusing on the investigation of health and illness in people. A research study is looking at disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment in the community. In many instances, it is work that has been done in the laboratory and is now being translated into the real world in seeing it in human research to see if these new treatments and information are beneficial to the patient. On the other hand, a clinical trial is a type of a research study where the US Food and Drug Administration defines a clinical trial as voluntary research studies conducted in people and designed to answer specific questions about the safety, tolerability, and effectiveness of medications, vaccines, and other non-therapies. Clinical trials are designed to evaluate and test new interventions. As outlined by the FDA, clinical trials are often conducted in 4 phases, and each trial at each phase has a different purpose. The center supports many different types of research. We have treatment studies, including clinical trials, medication studies, memory training studies, which include those non-pharmacological and non-invasive clinical trials, observation studies looking at the natural history of a disease progression, neuroimaging and biomarker studies, and caregiver studies. Now, you may ask me, how do I get started? How can I volunteer to be a research participant? You can visit our website or call one of our center's recruitment coordinators to complete a brief research volunteer form to see what studies or clinical trials you may be eligible to participate in today. Please see the information on how to contact us at the end of this video. Thank you for your time.